Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to turn on developer option in your Lenovo A7. So let's take a look how to do that. Maybe somehow or some cases you want to turn on developer option in your Lenovo A7. In order to do that, you need to swipe up and then you need to jump over in device settings section. After clicking on settings section, you scroll down and you will find here system. After click on system, you will find here about phone. After click on about phone, you scroll down and then you will find here valid number, build number. So we need to click here 7 times and it's going to saying you are now a developer. If I go back, and then again if I go back, I will see my phone in on system, and then if I click here advanced, I will find here developer option. So you can see I had successfully turned on or enable developer option in my Lenovo A7. You can now do whatever you want in developer section. If you want to disable developer option, you can easily turn it off and it's going to be appear turn off developer option. So within this way you can easily enable or disable developer option in your Lenovo A7. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.